Hey guys, it's WT here from the Coin Alley, and in this episode of the Coin Alley, I'll show you guys how to participate in the VICE industry token sale. Now, I covered the VICE token in a past episode of Subscriber's Choice. If you didn't catch that episode, I'll leave a link right here so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So the VICE industry token is an adult industry token where you could get paid to watch porn. And they have, you can check out the last video or that video that I covered that in its entirety. So I talked about the project. We went through the white paper. Initially, this token sale was supposed to occur on the 1st, but they did delay it. And today is the day for the pre-sale for whitelisted participants. So probably a month ago, if you wanted to participate early in the token sale, you could send a small amount of Ethereum to VICE to reserve your space. Otherwise, the actual crowd sale starts tomorrow. So I'll show you guys how to actually go through the purchase process and how to secure your tokens. Now, they did have a little bit of a problem today with the website. It was down for, I believe, a few hours, but it is back up again. And now you can actually go in and purchase your tokens. So for those of you who didn't get onto the whitelist, then tomorrow you'll be able to actually participate in the crowd sale. All right, so to get access or to start the process, you just need to go ahead and click early access, and that'll take you to this page right here. Now, prior to getting to this page, it'll ask you to acknowledge the terms and service of the ICO, and you'll be able to go ahead and send your funds to the contract address. Now, there is a minimum amount for you to purchase, and it is at least, I believe it's $100 in Ethereum. All right. The token price is 5 cents in Ethereum for one VICE industry token. So far, they've raised 1.61 million in Ethereum. So that's pretty impressive. And I'm really excited, no pun intended, about this project. I know holders of Steam will also receive an airdrop of VICE token. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and copy this address, and I'm going to go ahead and send my Ethereum to this address, and we're going to set our gas limit to 300,000. All right, so here I am over at my Ethereum wallet. I've got my Trezor connected, and we're going to go ahead and log in. Enter the PIN code, and then we need to enter our passphrase. All right, I've entered my passphrase, and I'm going to go ahead and unlock my wallet. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste the address, set my gas limit to 300,000. And then I'm going to send my entire balance, and I'm going to generate a transaction. And to go ahead and enter my passphrase again, I'll acknowledge the address on my Trezor. And then I'll send. Yes, I'm sure. All right, so it's now sending the Ethereum to the smart contract, and I'll be able to check the status here shortly. All right, we've got a pending transaction here. Let's take a look at the hash. It is pending. And there we go. It confirmed. I've purchased 6,686 VICE tokens. So that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Hopefully you guys found this to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are subscribed, or if you are going to subscribe, go ahead and click the notification bell. That way, whenever I do post new videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. So this is pretty simple process, guys. You can follow this for the crowd sale starting tomorrow. You will just go to the vicetoken.com website, and then you are able to purchase your tokens that way. Now, be very careful with any type of ICO. There's going to be a lot of unsavory characters out there. So this is the only method of purchasing VICE tokens, is by going to this website. And always check the website, make sure that they didn't transpose or change any letters around, because that is one of the top ways people are getting scammed. So go to the official website, and then from there you can go ahead and send your Ethereum. All right, guys, until our next video, take care of yourself and, of course, each other.